stainless steel working table. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 60 inches, a depth of 30 inches, overall height of 34 inches tall. Thickness for the table will be 2 inches. And coming to the bottom will be an additional shelf. The measurements for the bottom shelf will include 53 inches in length by 23 inches in depth. The distance from the bottom shelf to the top of the table, we have 19.5 inches. And please note that the film covering the stainless steel can be peeled off. Coming to the left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.